Currently we've just arrived at Shaw's Bridge. Such a nice place to go for a walk. And thankfully it's not raining at the moment too much. Really love these nature walks. It's a nice wee bridge here. There's nothing like getting out for a wee bit of a walk. Let's clear the head. So this looks like a place you could take the kayak sometime. And you get this, that looks like a lovely bridge actually. And this is a little bit, this is used really more for the likes of canoes. Ooh, that's windy weather. Certainly another cool day out. So yes, there is more fallen trees. That's because of our good old storm that we had. Oh, it's a brilliant path. So, yeah, I thought it's just come to mind. If I'm doing this recording and uploading every day, you know, my video skills are going to be amazing. This is another nice bridge, this one. It's the John Luke Bridge. Belfast artist 1906 1975. So, the Jean-Luc Bridge. No, it's not French. Jean-Luc Bridge. And it's the same flowing river. Look at that. It's really nice to be able to see the water. It's so relaxing. So the lock you're in, you can pretty much go for a wee drink or scone or whatever. Ah, nice. Maybe doing some fishing here. Dog with stick. There's another nice bridge. So I think around the corner here, I am going to pick up the drone and see what we can see. Okay, so that was Shaw's Bridge, heading towards Red Bridge. That's such a nice little walk. Anyways, that's all for today, and yeah, look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take it easy.